Today, let's talk about one of the biggest health questions: how to lose belly fat naturally. The truth is, belly fat isn't just about looks, it's linked to blood sugar, hormones, and overall health. But the good news? Small natural changes can make a big difference. 1. Balance blood sugar. When you eat processed carbs or sugary snacks, your insulin spikes, and that tells your body to store fat, especially around your belly. Now, choose foods like eggs, avocados, nuts, and leafy greens to keep your blood sugar steady. 2. Add more protein. Protein is the king of weight loss. It keeps you full, supports muscle, and burns more calories during digestion. Think Greek yogurt, chicken, fish, lentils, or cottage cheese. 3. Reduce stress. Stress releases cortisol, the hormone that makes belly fat stick. Simple breathing exercises, a walk in nature, or even good sleep can lower stress and help your body let go of fat. 4. Improve gut health. A healthy gut equals better metabolism. Add probiotics like yogurt, kefir, or kimchi, and fiber from chia seeds, oats, or veggies. This keeps digestion smooth and reduces bloating. 5. Intermittent fasting. Instead of snacking all day, give your body a break. Try eating within an 8 to 10 hour window. This helps your body burn stored fat instead of just burning the food you just ate. 6. Healthy fats, not junk fats. Olive oil, almonds, and fatty fish support your heart and hormones. Say no to fried junk oils. They fuel inflammation and belly fat storage. 7. Move daily but naturally. You don't need extreme gym workouts. Even walking 30 minutes a day, taking the stairs, or doing body weight exercises helps your metabolism stay active. So if you want to lose belly fat, remember, it's not about starving yourself or doing endless crunches. It's about balance, better food, lower stress, and daily movement. Start small, stay consistent, and your belly fat will slowly melt away naturally. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to